We think about programmatic as really being three things, right? We think marketers, buyers, advertisers need to be able to identify their audience, right? And this audience identification goes from recognizing digital behavioral signal that solutions like Adobe Analytics deliver, being able to cross-reference that data, those insights across different platforms, such as a data management platform would offer, and then being able to use your customer behavioral data, information I know about my known customers, to drive audience selection, right? So we think audience selection is a big part of the programmatic story. We also think automation and transparency is another big part of the programmatic story. And we've built a self-service interface to help brands do just that. And this goes twofold. When I think about automation, I think about workflows and campaign management, not just for media buying, for display media buying, but also for search and social and video. Right? But in addition to that, we believe transparency is becoming a big clarion call for advertisers everywhere. You want your brand to be associated with the right kinds of media. You want to make sure your media is actually being delivered in the right places, right? And through partnerships with brands like, with companies like AdScience, we're starting to deliver that level of insights. Brands also want transparency into how well their budgets are performing and the return on investment they're getting, right? So we think of that as the second leg of the programmatic story. And the third big core competence of any programmatic engine should be the ability to programmatically optimize creative, not just the media buying decisions, but also the creative, right? Being able to test and learn all the time from how our display and search and social advertising is working, and the creative is driving conversion, right? So we think about those three things as being big parts of the story. So we think there's a real opportunity for brands that are already using the Adobe Marketing Cloud to embrace the programmatic engine as well. I think Adobe is unique in that it brings marketing technology and ad tech much closer together. If you think about ad tech as being the science of going after the unknown in paid media, and marketing tech as the science of driving conversion and loyalty and purchase behavior, we're the one company that's able to bring these two technologies together in a very realistic manner. So we can drive all kinds of insights from the point of advertising decisions all the way to when conversion happens and you know this individual as a customer, right? So I think brands can leverage this in multiple ways. They can start to, Adobe Marketing Cloud comes integrated with programmatic and analytics. So if you are an Adobe client, existing Adobe client using our analytics solutions, you can immediately start to see the benefit of using our data management platform and our programmatic interface. Brands like Redbox have seen 110% uplift in integrating analytics with their programmatic engine that Adobe delivers. So we start to see real use cases where you use analytics data to help inform programmatic decisions, right? So that's one instance where brands can start to use it as well. The second case where I see brands starting to use this more and more is when they're using solutions like Adobe Campaign or Audience Manager, our data management platforms. A natural extension is then to start doing programmatic media buying through the Adobe Marketing Cloud as well. The business model is a software as a service business model and a usage-based business model. We're not in the media buying. That message of transparency that I mentioned earlier, I think that applies to us as well, right? We don't believe we need to be in the media arbitrage business. We help marketers give a very transparent pricing model. They can understand, view it like they're viewing any SaaS technology offering, and make buying decisions accordingly, which helps them explain the ROI of their broader media spend much more clearly to the organization. The DMP offering has been growing really well. You mentioned the Viveki. I think we've gone from strength to strength there in driving their always-on marketing platform. In addition, in the last year, we announced the data marketplace for our DMP product, and really what the data marketplace is designed to do is it allows marketers and brands to bring first, second, third-party data and be able to use that data in a very clean and secure environment. It also gives data providers an opportunity and brand partners an opportunity to find points of leverage in their various data assets. So we are very excited about that offering.